Hey everybody, Brock Frady here, helping you enjoy a ride. Today is Saturday, and it's clean out the car day. This is my daughter's 4Runner, and it has cloth interior. When she's getting in and out of the car and just driving it and everything, it's like there's a lot of lint and stuff that builds up on the sides of the seats, like right there. We tried vacuuming it, nothing. I mean, it took off like the very top layer. We have 3 dogs, and from time to time the dogs ride in this 4Runner. There's just like hair and stuff on the cloth seats. See right there? That's what I'm talking about. So we took like duct tape and things to try to get this just yuck off of the seat, but it just was not working. Found this little pebble, and it's lava rock. And so I took the lava rock, dusted it off, and started rubbing it on the seat. And you won't believe what happened. Lava rock versus lint. And I'm not rubbing very hard. You don't want to hurt the surface of the cloth. But look at that. Look at that big chunk of lint and hair. That is incredible. The vacuum couldn't touch it, but lava rock saves the day. The type of person that likes watching those really satisfying videos and, you know, before and afters of people cleaning stuff, you are going to love this trick. The panel looked clean, right? It didn't look that bad. Use the abrasive surface of it to shave off that layer of stuff that's collected on it. That is crazy. Just go somewhere and get like a pumice stone, because you can get like a big piece of that, and it's basically the same thing. You can just use that whole bar to just wipe down your cloth interior and wipe off all the stuff that collects, and it'll make it look like new again. This is just incredible. If you're having trouble with residual hair and lint and stuff on your seats, there it is. Who knew? Okay everybody, thank you so much for watching. I hope this helps you enjoy your ride. Remember to hit that subscribe button, and also share this video if you thought that it was helpful. And remember, the most important thing of all, have a wonderful day everybody.